To go live. Hey everybody, this is Jared Chamberlain with the Chamberlain Real Estate Group, and today we are doing another virtual house. I am joined with Alex Weston, who is joining us via Skype on site. Hello, Alex.
Well, hello everyone. Hello, Jared.
You look
You're looking
so happy today.
well. Who can't be happy when you're standing in the sunshine? Like, let's be honest. It's
Let's
been a
be
long time
honest.
coming.
It has been you're telling me. You're telling me. So where are you at today, sir?
Today we are down at unit number 27, 3910 19th Avenue Southwest. It's a two-bedroom townhouse located in Glendale.
Yep.
And we're standing just out front in the parking lot of this beautiful complex. Let me just turn you all around. If I could figure out how to turn you all around.
You'll get it. I believe in you.
Technology.
And we lost your video. You didn't turn us around.
No.
Well, here, while you're figuring that out, anyone, whoever is watching, give us a like, a comment, tell us where you're watching from. We can see you guys live when you're watching here, so give a hello. And where we are watching, or where we're at today, again, is 27 39 10 19th Ave Southwest in Glendale, and the price on this place is $34.99. Condo fees $445. Two-story townhome with a finished basement with a massive surprise upstairs in the second bedroom.
Ooh, spoiler alert.
Well, you got to stay and watch to be able to, see what's happening here.
Indeed. Here's our unit.
Okay, give us the tour.
I will. So we're out in the parking lot. We are the second from the end. Not a very large complex, very well run complex, so that's good. You can see parking lot. So this is our stall right in front. And let's go on inside.
So whereabouts?
Lovely concrete stairs.
I was gonna say, whereabouts is this located?
This is located just steps from Westbrook Mall.
Yeah.
And 17th Avenue, as well as you're about a 5-minute walk or less to the C-train station by Westbrook Mall. So very convenient location, especially young professionals who work downtown. This is a perfect location for you. We are now standing in the entranceway. So we've got our closet, our staircase that leads up to the surprise. And then this is our main living space. Now you get lots of light in here. I know it doesn't seem like that right now through the camera, but it is quite bright.
Yeah.
This is our living space. You got a ceiling fan for air circulation, which is always nice. We head into the recently updated kitchen with cork flooring. The rest of the main floor is hardwood. And you got this beautiful west-facing bay window, upgraded cabinets, counter, and appliances, and a pass-through, which is always convenient when you're having dinner guests.
Fantastic. I also
off
put
the
in
kitchen,
in the comments there just the link to the actual listing. So if anyone wants to check it out, that's where you can look for more info.
Appreciate that. Got your powder room just off the kitchen, your back entrance double accordion closet, lots of space for jackets. And then out the back here, we have your west-facing, very private backyard with deck. So that is the back, which is very nice. Come back into the house now. We are going to unveil the surprise.
Oh, I was muted. Dun, dun, dun. Singing to myself in my basement.
The stair treads are also hardwood, as is the flooring upstairs.
Was that hardwood done recently? Because it looks like it's in good condition.
It's in great condition, but it is original to the build. So not recently changed.
Cool.
This is your master bedroom. Very good size. Lots of space in here. And if we take a little walk around, we have a really surprisingly large walk-in closet that has quite a bit of depth to it.
That's great.
We do another pirouette. Is that what that's called?
I think you should
spin
turn
around
the camera around to show us your pirouette.
Oh, I don't think anyone wants to see that. Here is your 4-piece ensuite bathroom. Again, updated countertops and cabinetry. So that is your master. And you might be wondering, well, where's the surprise? If anything, it should be in the master bedroom.
No.
But wait. When you come into your second room upstairs, you have, again, a huge room, good-sized closet, not a walk-in this time, but you do have a second closet.
What?
And your surprise. Romance ensues in this bedroom.
That's not what I was thinking. I was thinking reading a book, but that's okay.
Well, the options are endless.
What is
you do have a gas fireplace and quite a bit of room up here.
Very cool. And what is the view out the back there to kind of show everybody too?
So the view is west. So you get trees and you get to look at your neighbor's yards.
Okay, so it backs onto.
There is an alley, so that gives you some separation as well.
Yep.
So yes, this is your second bedroom.
Very cool. So yeah, so those of you that are watching, again, this is a townhome in Glendale and priced right now at $349,900. Condo fees are $445,000, which basically includes everything except your utilities. That's what this property has. And I think you're gonna take us downstairs and because there's a finished basement as well. Is that correct?
You are correct, sir.
Cool.
We are just off the living room. We are now heading down to the basement. It is carpeted. It is fully finished, as you mentioned. Our client who lived here had a workout space and TV room here in this huge, great room, or rec room, or as our friends in Saskatchewan call it, a rompus room.
A rompus room. I do not know the last time I heard that, but it's been a very long time.
Well, that's what I'm here for, bringing it back.
Appreciate it.
Off the basement, you have another room that can be used as a den, or you can stash your in-laws in here when they're visiting. Not a legal bedroom because there is no window. And this is the wall that is shared with the neighboring unit. So you wouldn't be able to come in, or at least you wouldn't be a very nice neighbor if you did. And then out from the den, if we pull a U-turn and head back in, we have our mechanical room, which has laundry, your furnace and hot water tank, obviously, and storage. You have quite a bit of storage here as well.
Very cool.
Yeah. So a great little unit. Well, it's not even that little, actually, especially right now. It feels huge. But a great unit in the heart of Calgary. Just quick access downtown, quick access to Sarcee Trail and the Ring Road. Yeah, lots of positives here.
Yeah, it's great. And I think this is actually, it was built in 1991. Square footage is 1,230 square feet, so it is a good size. So again, what's the best way, if anyone has questions or anything for you, what's the best way to reach you?
Best way is probably to shoot me a text or give me a call at 403-829-0990, or you can email me at alex@chamberlaingroup.ca.
Awesome. I'm going to put that in the comments here, is how to get a hold of Alex. Done. There we go. So thank you. Something totally just fell off. I don't know what's happening. Thank you so much for joining us and our gong show of an open house. That was me, not you. You did fantastic.
Well, thank you.
Rumpus. Hey, Colleen, you know what? I'm just gonna put this up here. Colleen McCubbin, Rumpus. She likes the rumpus.
Told you, it's Saskatchewanites. They
I
love it.
know. It's good. It's
Saskatchewan.
good.
What are they called? Saskatchewantians?
Oh,
Saskatchewan. I don't know.
Saskatchewanites
Those people from Saskatchewan.
over there.
Yeah.
Or I don't know which way I am right now, but that works. That works.
Indeed.
All right. Thank you, sir. Enjoy your
Thank
day,
you.
and thank you everyone for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to Alex. Information is in the comments here, and that's what we got for you guys. So stay safe, be outside if you can, enjoy the sun, and we are coming back with 2 more open houses in the next hour or so. So we'll chat with you guys later.
Take care, everyone.
See ya.